leadership of the MKP is now here. You give them a briefing of what we're talking about and allow them an opportunity to say something about it. I would suggest that we take it in that way, thanks. So that when we begin, we are uninterrupted. Thanks.
Okay. Do you want to say something, Senior Counsel?
Honorable Chair.
Do you want to say something?
Nothing further except just on housekeeping. There's a bundle of additional documents that has now been made available to us by General Sibiya's legal team. We are aware of these documents. We have discussed them with his team, but the committee would not have had sight of them. We have asked for these documents to be made available ASAP. So hopefully that will not prevent us from proceeding. The honourable members will obviously have them before the opportunity comes to ask questions of the general. The delay in them making these documents available is perfectly understandable. They arise from testimony given by General Mkhwanazi and most recently on Friday by General Masemola. But then our draft statement